What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Karina and today we are doing a closet declutter. I feel like I do this seasonal, especially now that I feel like I'm just so into the fall vibes. I just felt like I want my closet to kind of represent that, and there's a lot of items that I feel like I haven't been gravitating towards, so I just wanna, like a fresh new start, just wanna clean out my closet. Today we're doing that and I think it's so perfect for today's sponsor, which is Poshmark. Y'all, I have been using Poshmark for a while now. I started my Poshmark account back in 2017 when I was in college, and it's honestly one of my favorite like resale online apps. It's just a great way to maybe declutter your closet and sell things online. It's really easy to use, y'all. You could just add a photo, list the descriptions, and put a price, and Poshmark takes care of the shipping for you. I buy and resell from Poshmark all the time. I will be linking my closet down below so you can check it out. I will be selling some of the items that I decluttered in today's video. So definitely don't forget to check Poshmark down below. I'll leave the links in the description box. But let's get into decluttering my closet because it's gonna be a lot. I had to bring the fiance in. He's here with me to help me declutter. Wait, I always put this as like a disclaimer because yeah, my living room is like also my bedrooms. Yeah, I'll leave my room tour thing down below, but yeah, our closet's it's in the hallway, so let's just get everything out and then go through the whole process of what I don't need and what I'll be keeping. All right, y'all, so let's get into my freaking closet. I'm gonna bring all the clothes and put it on this couch. I'm kind of dreading this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really happy that Luis is here today to help me out because I'm kind of slightly overwhelmed. He's just like great at organizing things, so I feel kind of good today. All right, let's get into my closet, put it all in here. Oh my god. You excited for this?
Yeah, very excited.
I didn't bring out like my pajama stuff or my underwear stuff because technically I'm gonna keep most of that stuff, but this is all my clothing besides that. Look at that, you can barely see any of my stuff, but I think it's not that bad because we've been doing a lot of declutters recently. I feel like before it would be like bigger and you can't see the paintings. So I think it's not that bad. So let's get into all of this though. And you know, when I run out of hangers, that is time for a declutter. So I'm gonna quickly get myself a little Celsius drink because homegirl is running on team no sleep. So I have been addicted to these ever since I got in a PR like box. I'm pretty good. So I got 2 overalls, one in a dark wash, one in a light wash. Just recently thrifted these not too long ago. Love them. Perfect for the fall. Keeping them. This dress is just so stunning. It kind of gives me something that you would find in like Realization Par or even like Reformation. But
When you say that.
What?
Realization Par.
But the thing is, it's just not the fit that I like. It's honestly too tight on my chest. And I think this would be so perfect for someone with some knee-high boots, especially since the fall is just around the corner. Yeah, it's 100% silk dress. It's so stunning, y'all, but it does have some shoulder pads. I'm definitely gonna put this on Poshmark. Pink dress. Look at that, so cottagecore. It's actually from Love Shank Fancy. Really, really stunning. But the last time I wore it was like in 2020 and it was just so tight on like my side here. I feel like this kind of slightly runs small. It's a size 16, but I would say it's like a petite 16, but unfortunately it just doesn't fit right, and I don't want to keep items that just doesn't fit because then I feel like shit about it. So this one I'm gonna Poshmark it. Keeping this one, definitely keeping this one. I feel like this one I'm gonna take it to New York with me because for this one I'm gonna Poshmark it because it just wasn't the length that I wanted. This isn't actually an Outdoor Voices athletic like dress. It comes with shorts at the bottom and it's in this beautiful hot pink color, but the thing is, every time I put this on, it is a mission because I'm really tall, and so like the straps are just even hard to put on and the shorts are tight on me. But my friend gave this to me, so it was just so hard for me to like let it go. But it doesn't fit the way I would like it to. It is a size large. I think if I would have probably eventually get myself one in like an extra large or something like that. I'm gonna Poshmark this Outdoor Voices dress. This with my red hair. Yes, honey, we're keeping. Definitely keeping these. I'm gonna wear this to the courthouse. Y'all, so far I'm Poshmarking a lot of stuff. I feel like it's equal. These are waiting for another Disney day. I wore these last time I went to Disneyland, so Poshmark it. I'm finally gonna put on Poshmark. Like I'm getting rid of more of like my summer and spring stuff, and I feel like I'm gonna regret that. But here's another piece that I got on Poshmark. Really cute, but like I said, it was just so short that I couldn't wear it as a dress, and that was bothering me, so I'm gonna have to Poshmark this one. I just don't wear it as much anymore. I think I'm gonna donate it now. I'm realizing that I'm navigating less to color. I think it's the season right now.
Oh, you're right. That's all colorful.
So I'm like, I need to relax because I do love my color, but it's just like, you know, I'm not feeling that right now. So I really love when I found this. It's just, I don't wear it as much. So this will go on Poshmark. This was one of those things that I got for like a photo. I thought I could rock it. My tits come out with this, so there's no way I can keep this. It's really cute. It's just like this halter top. You can do it in different ways, but it's just not coverage for me at all whatsoever. So I'm gonna put this on Poshmark. I love change, so sometimes it's really hard for me to have an attachment with clothes.
Donate.
I told Luigi that I want to get us the magic key. Someone doesn't want to do it, so I can have Disney days to go with. Convince him, y'all. Convince him, okay?
You have your friends with.
I need someone to go to Disney with.
You have to get rid of that someday.
He wants me to get rid of this one. I love the color.
Right.
I do with my red hair. Oh, all the Christmas sweater stands. They stay. Look at this one. She jingles. This one's a zip up. All right, y'all. So can you see that the clothes is no longer on the couch because I have officially finished decluttering everything. Everything that I'm keeping and decluttering. Let me quickly show you. This pile right here is what I'm going to be keeping. This pile right here is the Poshmark pile. And this pile down here is the donation pile. These are all the hangers that I got from just decluttering everything. We finally have the decluttering part. I think for me, the organization is always the hardest because homegirl's not good at that. So I'm glad, like I mentioned, my boyfriend's here to help me with that because he is the organization king. Right, baby?
Not really.
Not really. I've gotten better?
Yeah, this whole bed was full last time.
Okay. See? All right. Let's do this. Thank you, baby, for helping me.
Sure thing.
You cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. One more time. I said I'm sorry, mama. Out now. Funk Soul Brother. Check it out now. Funk Soul Brother. I think that Celsius drink worked on me already. Suavemente, bésame, quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez suave. Espérame, estás tan rápido. Oh, I think I got that thing on my eye. Don't put lipstick on your eyelids. No, lip gloss.
That's what happens with my
See.
oil.
That's your oily eyelids.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. I'm gonna show you my closet now that I finished putting everything away. So here it is. Ignore the top. I haven't organized the top. So you can't really tell the difference, but definitely because before there was no space between the hangers, you know, where you could barely move them. And so I'm really happy with the setup I have it. I have over here in the back my sweaters and then sweater vests, overalls, long sleeve, and then I color coded it by white, black, brown, and then the small section of color that I have now, which is crazy, of course, where I keep my pants and my PJs. So as you can see here, jeans, pants, skirts. Love that organizational pile. And then I have here my pajamas, put sweats, sweaters, sweaters. And honestly, a lot of these sweaters are like UCLA sweaters and USC, like just a lot of like nostalgia sweaters that I wore when I was in college, but still love them. They're like sentimental pieces and things I just wear around the house. So I kept it here. Up here's my boyfriend's stuff, and over here I have my socks, underwear type of drawer. But overall, so good. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is shoes, and I did not want to show you my shoe there because it's a lot. All right, y'all, so we just finished decluttering. I got rid of 4 bags, 2 for donation and 2 that I'm gonna be putting on my Poshmark. Don't forget to check out my closet. I'll leave it in the description down below, as well how you can download Poshmark using my link. I am so happy with just the closet declutter. It felt really nice to just go into my closet and get things out that I wasn't really using and just kind of look at my closet more thoroughly. But that is it, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, and if you just put me in the background while y'all declutter. I love it. We were decluttering together. But yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you want to catch up with me, you can follow my Instagram. It is Living as Karina. That is all for me, folks, and I'll see you soon. Bye.